2012 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Again, here's sound decibels. Again, let's right at one more. Right at 94. That's the sound decibels out of it. All right, that's what it sounds like before. 2012 Chevy Camaro SS, convertible, really beautiful wheels on it, really nicely done. It's a clean car. Got factory 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there, then factory resonator, dual in, dual out, as you guys can see. We kept that on, he didn't want it too loud. Then like I showed you guys before, we welded the valves open, there and there. We put a rod in there and then welded them. So it gets a little bit louder. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. Into 5-inch double wall stainless steel tips. Right there and right there. There's the 2 rear mufflers we cut off right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it before with the resonator on it. So it's a 2012 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it, factory converters, there. Then we put a Flowmaster Super 10 right there. As you guys can see, we've specially fabricated it. Part number 8425154. There'll be a link in the description. Right there, Flowmaster Super 10. Then we welded the valves open right there because they rattle if you don't. Then we did a rear muffler delete earlier. There and there, and put some 5-inch stainless steel tips right there. And there's the massive resonator that comes on these that we just cut off right there. You guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Perfect. It's not overbearing, just smooth, you know. Here's sound decibels. Again, right at 104. It's got a nice marble to it. Go ahead and back it up. Go ahead. It's convertible, so you guys are not going to hear that inside here. Much better. Oh yeah. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 105. 106. Let us know in the comments. Chevy Camaro SS. Rear muffler delete, 5-inch tips. I want one of these, but I wish it had a... Camaro resonator, Flowmaster Super 10 in its place. Rear muffler.